go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Wait, is this the busy intersection? Look at this place. This is crazy. This is kind of cooler than the Akihabara one, huh? Wow, look at this. This is awesome. Look how cool this is, you guys. Oh, this is crazy.
This is like the adult version of Akihabara.
Kinda, huh?
Yeah.
This place is crazy. Japan is nuts. This is so crazy. Godzilla. Why? Is it a Halloween store?
I see toys and games, so I want to go in there.
Plushies and these capsules.
Oh, capsules.
But guess who spent all my change?
Oh. Dad, do you have any change?
I gave Vera all my change.
I used it on his stuff.
God, just make more money.
There are no hundreds in here. It's all like tens and ones.
Just make money. You can ask them. You can ask them about them.
They got Tommy.
All right, let's go.
Father. There's
Huh?
There's
I don't want to pet dogs.
Like you can see all the dogs and everything.
Dad,
I don't want to go and pet dogs. I can pet Frank at home all day long for free.
probably try to keep it hot.
IMAX theater.
Ooh, Dad, can we?
No.
I
Ooh,
want a
filet
pizza.
steak. Ooh, they got filet over here. Oh, so I can get my steak. How much is my steak here? Well, I give you filet steak.
Marry you anyway. Marry you anyway.
There's a little store out.
Let's go to Toho Cinema.
Huh?
Let's go to Toho Cinema.
I don't want to go watch a movie. You guys want to watch a movie while you're here?
Yes.
It's the last thing I want to do.
It's an IMAX theater, so that makes it like three
Dad,
times
the
cooler.
movie theater is
Krispy Kreme donut.
I kind of need a pee.
I know, me too. I gotta pee and I want to get a beer.
Dad, it's just begging
Go
us to
find a little
Dad,
store or
Dad,
something.
they're just begging us to go to a dog restaurant. There's one right there. Above that flat here.
I'm not going to a dog restaurant, buddy.
Oh, there's a cat one.
You guys did your hedgehog thing. Whoa, that guy's hauling ass.
Parrots and bunnies.
Look at that little place.
I could have held like 12 parrots. Or 12 bunnies. Yeah.
And give you guys an idea, like what the it's crazy. I guess they don't have zoning laws here, so you can get these like little tiny buildings. Like look how skinny that building is, and then all of a sudden you come over here, there's like a giant building. It's massive.
Dad, let's go to Toho Cinemas.
Well, I'm gonna go.